Right, so just an announcement for us today. We've got our lineup confirmed for next year's 2024 Porsche Club GB Championship, and we've got 5 drivers confirmed for next year, with another 2 possible, so we could have 7 cars on the grid. But we're delighted to say we've got Andy Toon, former champion, and his son Will running with us. Brian will be running with us in Class 2, and we've also got Nick Lawrence joining us as well in Class 3 for his first year. So we've got obviously one former champion, but I'm also delighted to say we've got the current champion. If I can bring Paul in, Paul Simpson.
Hi.
Glad to have Paul on board for next season. So Paul, as you know, won the championship last year in his Class 2 Boxster.
Yep.
And we're standing next to Paul's Class 1 Cayman .2.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we've just had a cage put in, and I think we're just about starting to fit it out and spray it up in Rindt colours, aren't we?
Yep, certainly are. Yeah,
and you've been basically tracking this car a little bit before we started stripping it, haven't you?
Absolutely,
So you're used to the car. So we're not quite sure whether they're going to weight it up a little bit next year, are we yet?
Yeah, I think so. So I understand.
The first year they're going to let .2 Caymans in.
First year for .2 Caymans and hopefully the first Cup. So
yeah. So yeah, very exciting. So we need a little bit more transport. So hopefully we'll be picking up in the next week a HGV1 transporter that will fit 6 cars, and that will be spread up in Rindt colours as well. So we're really excited. We're all in for next season, and as I say, definitely 5 cars, but maybe 7 cars on the grid, and champion racing with us in Rindt colours. Thanks a lot.